So guys, very good morning. Today I am making a clip on the Flipkart order. I am ordering Mi3 band. So I am opening this Flipkart packaging. I received it through e-cart. Now I check what inside this, that is original or not. Now I opened it. It's totally packed. So let's check. It's covered from this side. That is Mi band. It's written in Mi band, but I am confused that it is original or not. Let's check. This is proper sealed by Mi. Now it's cut and opened. So guys, this is Mi band 3. I think there is a charger. Cute pack. There is a description, guides and charging socket. These things are here for charging. Now this is Mi band 3. This is pretty cute, very lightweight. This got a sensor. Look at this finish. Thanks for watching, guys.